Hey guys, welcome back to Wwe 16. I am your host Javon, and today we're back for a brand new benchmark. It's Wwe 2K23 for the PC. They're running this on my Intel Core i3-10105 with the AMD RX 600 8GB VRAM graphics card. Ignore the R9 280X in the top corner there. That is not relevant. I just forgot to change my overlay back to the RX 600. But that is the temperature of the RX 600 if you were wondering. Yes. So we're going to play this game today. We're just going to test out a few things here. I'm running at 1080p on the highest preset. It only has high. We have texture quality at high, 1080p. Action camera's at 60, model quality is high, everything else is on ultra and high. The game actually has FSR. We won't need that for this. This is not gonna break the bank on this game whatsoever. We may need it for the R9 280X though. I'm doing a benchmark first because I love that they have this feature, and then we'll go into the actual gameplay. Obviously the music is cut because copyright, ain't nobody got time for that. We're gonna see today how this performs. We're running 16GB DDR4 RAM and dual channel memory. I don't know if I said that already. This is my first time booting up the game as well, so be that what you may, it is running with the RX 12 shader compilation, is what I like to call it. Shader compilation.
Steel structure looming over these competitors as this match officially gets underway.
I had to stop that. That was extremely loud. I couldn't hear a damn thing. I don't know if you could hear me at that point. Or I probably should have just let it play out. I mean, it's gonna run fine no matter what. It's crazy. Better. Benchmark me again. Let's see how fast the benchmark loads this time. Like I said, I expect this to run flawlessly, 1080p Ultra. We probably could have done 4K, but because of my capture card, I can't do that. So it is what it is. Looks fine. Hell in a cell. Wow. It's a constant. Oh my gosh, look at the frame rate. Wait, why is the frame rate so different? What is going on here? But I guess it's saying that that's what I could be doing. Which, yeah, I agree. CPU's only at 34%. Nice. We are getting some stutter once again, shader compilation issues, but it's not the worst. I think it's manageable. We're only using about 5.4GB of RAM, which means we're using less than 5 gigs of RAM for this game. Insane. For 2K23, it's only using 2.5GB of VRAM as well. So my 3GB R9 280X might be able to do work with this. This actually looks like this would be a great experience. Integrated graphics wise, I don't know how good FSR is, but I doubt it's gonna help me much. I've been seeing another video, it seems like over 40 FPS. You need to be in the late 40s to get the game to actually run without the slow motion. Yes, the slow motion issue is still here. Okay, so that's not bad. You see that minimum though? That's shader compilation. Average is 104. Okay, we're actually gonna play a real match. We're not just gonna just look at that. We're not gonna do one-on-one either. Chicken right now. I don't really need all that. Okay. Okay, the chicken said I don't care what I need. Okay, cool. We're gonna do 8-man because I want as many people in here as possible. And we're gonna start. Hey, look at all the characters. Man, I haven't watched wrestling in a long time, man. These are new people. Not that many, to be honest with you. Not that many. Well, like, even Logan Paul's in here. That's crazy, man. You know, I probably should have just picked John Cena and moved on with my life. Jeez, look at all the people. Yeah, definitely should have just gone for John and just said, you know, John's fine. John! Oh, wow, you can even go back. That's just to show how many characters you have in here. The fact that you have this now that you can pick them like this. Can I do random? Entrances are off. Obviously, music. Oh, you can. Whoa, you're purchasing characters now, dude? Huh. Just pick some characters, man. And let's go. Alright, let's see how this plays out. Once again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and stick around for more epic content. This has been a quite long time. It takes a little while to get through all this stuff, which is why I showed you the benchmark. So if you already left, that's cool. The benchmark shows you how the game would perform. And yeah, just start at X12, so expect a little shader compilation stutter at the beginning, but that'll probably go away almost immediately. Whoa, look at that. Still running at the 60 with all these characters in the ring. Bro, I'm gonna need you to not touch me right now. I wish I knew how to play this game at all. I haven't played it. Listen, dude, I grew up with these games. I had 2005 all the way down to 2011. Man, it's been a while. Yeah, reversals. Like I said, it holds at the 60 though, and we're not. You missed.
He's looking for something. This could get dangerous.
Still 60. It does show though that it is pushing the system a bit. But anyway, once again, we're going up for 3 gigs of VRAM. But once again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget, please leave a like, comment, share, and I'll see you guys next time. This has been WWE 2K23. It runs. Oh damn, Gunther, why?
Some miscues from Jey Uso here. Knee right to the gut. Battling ringside. He can pin his opponent right here. Only a 1 count before the kick out. I didn't think this match was close to over. He manages to escape it. Clearly hoping something nefarious is beneath the ring. Jey Uso feeling confident, not backing down even a little bit here. Lesnar is getting the whole crowd behind him now. And they just busted out an impactful maneuver. He returns to the ring. He got whipped into that corner, and that DDT was well delivered. Bringing a steel chair into play here. Is there a and an impactful display of offense we just witnessed there. Belly-to-belly suplex. Superhuman power. What a slam. Drop